Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to add another Gmail account on your iPhone. Before you start watching this video, dear friends, please don't forget to put your like, subscribe to the channel for sure, and also write comments. So let us get started, and I'm going to show you two methods on how you can add an account. For the first one, you'll need to open any web browser where you can log into your Gmail account, like Google. Or you can open, for example, Gmail, or you can open, for example, any application on Google. Now you'll need to, at the top, click on your profile picture. Next, select Add Account. Now select Google and continue. After that, you'll be taken to a page like this. If you're adding another Gmail account directly from Google in a web browser, then click on your profile picture. Then select Add Account, and you'll go to the exact same page where you can add an account for yourself. One more method how you'll be able to do this. Open the settings on your iPhone, after which please scroll down to the bottom and go to the Apps section. Next, you will need to search for Mail, and then go to Mail, and now select Mail Accounts option here. Click Add Account, Google, and then you will be taken to the same page for adding Google account. Dear friends, I hope you found this video useful. You have seen several methods how you can add another Gmail account on iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write comments. See you soon.